Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a PDF fillable in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC as it automatically makes it fillable. Now from the home page, just open up your file, and once you have opened it, we have some tools at the right part of the page. And from here, we are going to click on Prepare Form. If you don't have it, just click on More Tools right here at the bottom. And under the Forms and Signatures section, you should be able to see the Prepare Form option, so just click on Open. And you can then change the file if it got the wrong file. If not, just click on Start right here. As you can see, there is also form field auto detection turned on. You can also change this one if you want to turn it off. I'm just going to keep it turned on and just click on Start. And as you can see, I have some tables right here, which Adobe detected, and it automatically added a text box so that it is fillable. For example, if I click on Preview at the top right, you can then click on it and type in your text, and it automatically made it fillable. Now I'm just going to hit Close at the top right. And if you have some sections of your form or document that was not detected, you can just click on Prepare Form from the tools at the right, and it will give us more tools right here at the top. For example, I have a name section right here on my sample PDF. You can click on this one right here, add a text field tool, and it will then show a rectangle. You can then drag it to create a text box. This is where the name would go. You can then name the field, and that should make a fillable text field. There are also more options from here. You can add checkboxes, drop down choices, drop down list. And for example, on this next part of my sample PDF, I need a drop down list. So I'm just going to click on this drop down tool and again, drag it right here maybe. And you can then name it as you like, hit enter. And what we're going to do is to right click on it and go to properties, and you can then click on the options tab right here to add an item. For example, item 1, click on add another item, and click on close once you're done adding your options for your drop down menu. Now for this next part of my sample PDF, I need checkboxes at their side, so I can click on the checkbox tool at the top. You can then click on anywhere you want it to go and also resize it. You can also zoom into the PDF to make it more accurate and look more cohesive. Just keep on selecting the tool and adding in the elements that you need for your form or document. And once you're done adding your elements, you can click on Preview at the top right, and you can then try testing it if it works. Click on it. And as you can see, all the elements work. And you can then just hit close at the top right and also remove the options that you made or the text that you inputted. And you can then hit save, Control S on your keyboard, or hit the save button at the top left to save your PDF and share it to anyone. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.